Initiating sodium hydroxide injection.
Saponification process looks stable.
The lavender chamomile variant is trending up in the Midwest, but we're seeing a dip in citrus scents on the West Coast. The system's flagging a potential variance in batch 73.
Let's isolate the feed, run diagnostics.
All right, team. Production efficiency is up by 5% this week.
What's our target for next quarter?
Readings are stable across all sectors.
Good. Let's keep an eye on Sector 3's exhaust levels.
As you can see, the bars are then cut and stamped with our logo before moving to packaging.
Overall efficiency is up by 2%.
Excellent, that's what we were aiming for. The cleaning cycle is almost complete.
These are ready for the morning shipment. These are ready to go to morning shipment.
Excellent. I'll update the manifest.
Tiếp đến nụ hương của phơn. Nếp đau đưa ai sụp điện sụp học tháng sau, phên ngụ tì nụ ban chiến phục thủy. Tổng binh nghị làm ma chân, kỳ tương phội.